Hello, in this video we will find the SAP, how to explore, how to configure the SAP Analytics Cloud trial. First of all, go to the Google and search SAP Analytics Cloud trial. You will find this and then you will have to click on the try now button. After this, just give your business email or your personal email address, like I gave my Gmail address, um, and then we have to click on the next button. I am now given my email address and click on the next button. After this, it will redirect to the sign in again. As you are seeing that it's redirecting to the accounts.sap.com, where I will have to provide my password. After providing my password, it will redirect to the another link address, which is very important. So in under this the main universal email, I have two users. So I click on my first user, which is my personal user. Now it's redirecting again to the particular site, so you just have to wait for a while. Here it is. Now it's saying thank you for the interest in SAP. Welcome to your SAP Analytics Cloud basic trial. And now I have to go to the inbox and find the step-by-step link. So then I will explore how to go through this setup of basic trial in detail. Here, a short course is is presented here, so then the every user can easily understand and the setup and for the option which are SAP providing. So it is very easy and very easy to understand and a very simple English language. So then everybody can easily understand, can easily go through this course and find is and then achieve its his goal very easily. So I click on the completed because I did already did this step. You can also follow by yourself, and then I will I have to click on the done button in the first and the second step. The last step is the test yourself. So I will click on the done because I also already registered for the SAP account. After that, I will click on the test yourself option, which will ask some question, and it's asking me what do you need to register for a basic trial. So definitely, mm, as we know that the SAP dot account.sap.com is very needed for this. So I click on the sap.com account. So this is the correct answer, and now it's showing the congratulations. So this is a very short learning for the basic trial on the SAP website. So then everybody can easily learn the first step, the how to configure the SAP Analytics Cloud. So the some step is still needed. We will continue. We will cover in this video. So don't worry and be relaxed and just follow the step what I am suggesting and what I am exploring by this video.